Welcome back to Echo English Moments. I'm Lily.
And I'm Tom. Hi, everyone.
In our A Day with Lily series, we explore real-life English for daily situations.
That's right. And today, we're going to the hair salon.
Getting a haircut is something everyone does, and it's a great chance to practice useful English.
I always worry about how to explain my hairstyle in English.
Don't worry, Tom. Today, we'll go through everything from making an appointment to thanking your stylist.
Sounds perfect. Let's go get a fresh look.
When you arrive, it's nice to greet the staff politely.
I can say, "Hello, I'd like to get a haircut, please."
Perfect. And if you have an appointment, you can add, "I have an appointment at 3 o'clock."
Or if you don't, "Do you have time for a haircut now?"
Exactly. Simple, polite English always works well. After sitting down, your stylist will ask what you'd like.
I can say, "I just want a trim, please."
Or, "Please cut it shorter on the sides and back."
I can also say, "Keep the top a little longer."
That's clear and easy to understand. You don't need fancy words. Just be polite and specific. If you're unsure how to explain, show a photo.
I can say, "I'd like something like this, please."
Perfect. Pictures are a universal language.
I can say, "Can you make it look natural and easy to manage?"
That's great. Remember to smile and be kind. It helps communication. Many salons offer to wash your hair first.
I can say, "Sure, that would be great."
Or, if you prefer warm water, could you use warm water, please?
I can say, "The temperature feels perfect, thank you."
Excellent. Short and polite is all you need. While your hair is being cut, you can give gentle feedback.
I can say, "A little shorter on the sides, please."
Or, "That's good, not too short on top."
I can say, "Looks great so far."
Perfect. It's always good to speak clearly and positively. People often chat a little during the haircut.
I can say, "It's really nice weather today."
Or, "This salon feels bright and clean."
I can say, "How long have you been a hairstylist?"
Great! It makes the experience friendlier. You might want to ask about shampoos or styling products.
I can say, "What kind of shampoo do you recommend?"
Or, "Which product is good for dry or damaged hair?"
I can say, "Can I buy this styling gel here?"
Excellent. Very practical. After the haircut, your stylist will dry and style your hair.
I can say, "Could you use a little less gel, please?"
Or, "That looks perfect, thank you."
I can say, "Could you show me how to style it at home?"
Great. polite and real-life English. When you're finished, look in the mirror and share your thoughts.
I can say, I love it. It's just what I wanted.
Or, could you make it a bit shorter in the back?
I can say, yes, that's perfect now.
Excellent. Polite feedback helps every stylist. When you're ready to leave, go to the counter to pay.
I can say, how much is it, please?
If the stylist says the price, you can respond, "Here you go. Keep the change. Thank you."
Or, can I pay by card?
Great. Polite, easy, and friendly. Some people like to plan ahead for their next visit.
I can say, can I make an appointment for next month?
Or, do you have any openings next Saturday?
I can say, that works for me. See you then.
Nice and professional. When leaving, it's polite to say goodbye with a smile.
I can say, thanks a lot. Have a great day.
Or, see you next time.
I can say, I love my new haircut.
That's the best way to end your visit. All right, everyone, let's review what we learned today.
Let's practice together. Repeat each sentence twice.
I'd like to get a haircut, please.
I'd like to get a haircut, please.
I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
I have an appointment at 3 o'clock.
Just a little shorter on the sides, please.
Just a little shorter on the sides, please.
Keep the top a bit longer, please.
Keep the top a bit longer, please.
Could you use warm water, please?
Could you use warm water, please?
Looks great so far.
Looks great so far.
What kind of shampoo do you recommend?
What kind of shampoo do you recommend?
Could you use a little less gel, please?
Could you use a little less gel, please?
That looks perfect. Thank you.
That looks perfect. Thank you.
I love it. It's just what I wanted.
I love it. It's just what I wanted.
How much is it, please?
How much is it, please?
Keep the change, thank you.
Keep the change, thank you.
Can I make an appointment for next month?
Can I make an appointment for next month?
See you next time.
See you next time.
I love my new haircut.
I love my new haircut.
Today, we learned how to talk naturally and politely at a hair salon.
From describing your haircut to saying thank you, we covered it all.
Remember, politeness and clarity always make communication easier.
And confidence makes your English shine.
Exactly. This was A Day with Lily.
See you next time.